to my channel. My name is Kristen and this is Life Made Simple. Today I am doing my long-awaited Christmas home tour. So this is not my first home tour on my channel. It is my first Christmas home tour for this house. But just a little backstory, we are a military family. We are living here in Texas for 3 years total. We are about halfway through. We bought this home knowing that I was going to be flipping it and changing everything in it. So all my other home tours is from the time that we bought it, and then all the updates pretty much, I don't know, every 6 months or so. So if you want to see those and you want to see what this house looked like in the very beginning, I will leave those down in the description, that way you can go back and watch those. But I'm going to take you through, I'm going to show you all my home Christmas decor for the 2019 season. And if you want to see me decorate, I do have 4 of those videos, 3 or 4 of them. I will link those down below and you can see me go through and decorate everything for Christmas. So let's get into this, and I will try to link everything down below too if I can for the decorations. A lot of this stuff is pretty old. I did not buy too many things, so you're not going to be able to find a lot of them in links, but I will try my best. So let's go. Okay, I'm going to try to keep this as quiet as I can, but still have you guys be able to hear me. But I'm going to start off in my entryway because my daughter is actually asleep down that hallway over there. But if you want to see me make over this area, I just did this board and batten wall. I have it in my decorate with me, Christmas decorate with me. I think it's the 3rd one. I will leave that linked down below, but I pretty much renovated this whole area and then on top of that decorated it for Christmas. So this area has changed so much since we've lived in this house. Everything in this house was an off-white color. So during this video, you might see some spaces that are not completely finished painted, and that's because I am constantly still painting. Like, as you can see, the ceiling needs painted. Everything was that color. But my chandelier is from Sam's Club, and we've painted the door white. We've painted everything white, and the gray color is actually Mindful Gray. So the Merry Christmas sign is from Walmart, and pretty much all that right there is from Walmart. The little lights, the little rosemary bush burlap trees, and the Merry Christmas sign. And don't mind, there's a hole behind this that I gotta patch up. Now my bench, that is actually from Target. It's where we put a lot of my daughter's shoes. And the pillow is a soft, like, green velvet. This is from the company Woven Nook, and they have a website I will link down below. They also sell some of their pillow covers on Amazon. And then this one actually is an old pillow that I've had since I was a little girl, and the pillowcase was dollar kitchen napkins that I got on sale at IKEA, and my mom sewed it into a pillowcase. Now, coming into the house, it's kind of a mess, but off to your left, we have this little entryway table. I have no clue where to put these right now because usually this is my dog's bed and it is over there where the Christmas tree is. But we have this little entryway table that I moved into here. My husband made these signs. We have an American flag. We have the EOD symbol, which is what my husband does in the Air Force, is a bomb technician. This little lamp I got at Home Goods probably 3 or 4 years ago. I got the little truck at, where did I get that at? Michael's. Those are old little trees. Same with that tree, is super old. And then this was a gift from one of our family friends. She got that for us one year. I have my Young Living diffuser, and this glass jar is from Hobby Lobby. My mom made this, and it's kind of reversible. I think there's snowflakes on the other side. And then all of this is from Hobby Lobby. Coming over to the TV wall, which is a hot mess. I have yet to decide if I'm going to put my TV up on the wall, but picture frames, they are from Walmart. the table runner, which is just a plaid table runner. I want to say this one is either from Kirkland's or it's from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. I have my Christmas houses, which were hand-me-down, and all the little pieces that go with it. And garlands from Hobby Lobby. Most of things are from Hobby Lobby. This thing, which is a total hot mess right now, it's got fingerprints all over it, it is from IKEA. Okay, hopefully you guys can see this. I had to close one of the blinds because it is so sunny. But this is our fireplace wall. My blanket I get asked about all the time. My mother-in-law actually made this for me last year. And then this is another one of those woven nook pillowcases. It came in a pack of 4, so I will show you all of those. But this is the second one. This one's probably my favorite. My chair, I also get asked about this chair a lot too. I just got it from a local furniture store in Ohio, so I'm not quite sure anybody can get it, but actually I have seen a very similar one, like I'm pretty sure it's the exact same one, off of Wayfair. I will try to find it. I don't know if I can, but if I can, I will link it down below. My rug is from Rugs USA. They literally have the best deals. They had the best deal literally just a few days ago for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. But honestly, they have deals all the time. So if you want this rug, which is a 9x12, I paid less than $200 for this. And it is so nice. Like, people ask me all the time, like, how in the world do you have a cream white colored rug and it not get dirty with 2 dogs and 2 kids? This rug hides everything. Like, it is so nice. I am so glad that we bought it. If you watch my first clean and decorate video, I actually painted the stone on our fireplace. We've done everything to this fireplace, but just recently we had painted the stone. It was literally this off brown, gross tan color that matched everything, and it just needed something. So we just painted that black. I have stockings that have the K's on them. Those are for me and my husband. These are from Target. And then my mom made these stockings for the girls. And then I've also gotten asked about these. I got these at Hobby Lobby, but not in store. I don't know if they are in store. I just ordered them off of their website. Garland is from Walmart. Literally love that garland. It is only less than $13. The wreath, also $10 from Walmart. I got the little twinkly lights. I've had those for years. Don't even know where I got them from. The other sign is from Kirkland's, and then I got the ribbon from Target. And then down here we have this little tin. I don't know, it was from a local store in Ohio in a very small town that I got it from, like a primitive store. And then the tree is from IKEA. I just recently got this rug. It is from the At Home store. I got it for $15 with a 20% off coupon. I originally got it for the front door, but I thought it was just too big, and our front door is so low to the ground that it actually, even though this is super thin, it still caught it. So not really sure what to do about the front door. This little hangy-do here used to have a bell on it, but of course my kids ripped it off. My family member actually made this for us, so it's just something fun for the kids. I just recently got this and it lights up. It is from Walmart, just like a little night light. And the couch, I always get asked about this couch also. This couch is from overstock.com. You can get it in any like size. This is the 5-seater. It goes literally from 1 seat all the way up into a U shape, which the U shape would have been so nice in here, but because this is not our permanent home, I was not going to buy a huge couch that I knew possibly won't fit into my next house. So this is what we went for. I love it. It is so good. It holds its shape, and I read so many reviews and so happy that we bought it. This is the other pillow that goes along with that pack of 4 from Woven Nook. It says fa la la la, and then I got this one too that came with it. These pillows actually came with that chair that's over in the corner, and then this pillow is from Kirkland's. I got this throw for $7 at IKEA, which was a steal because it's actually really, really good quality. And then my other blanket I've had probably for 3 years now. It was at Kirkland's. I got this. Here is our Christmas tree. We just got a live Christmas tree this year. We got this one from Lowe's, I think. It is a 9-footer. I was so excited to have a tree that was like super tall, since this is the biggest like ceiling height that we've ever had in a house. The bin at the bottom, which I just realized needs to be washed really well. There's a lot of fingerprints all over it. This I got from Tractor Supply, and it is literally just a horse feed bin, and we put the stand inside of it, and it's really nice. It has a bottom. It's not one of the fake ones, so if the tree stand actually leaks any water or I spill water, it just kind of goes into there. But all the bulbs and everything are literally from like Home Goods and Target 5 years ago. Okay, so hopefully we can see this area. My house is so bright at this time of the day, like 9:30 in the morning, and don't mind, I just got a brand new carpet cleaner, so there will be a video with me using that. I'm hoping that I will get to try it out today because I'm so excited. Got this on a Black Friday deal. This table is from the Magnolium line. It is the Chip and Joanna Gaines line. I got this from a furniture store in Ohio, and technically, like, I've seen so many furniture stores that sell their line, so just look them up online and you can actually search where they sell their furniture at. This is also from their line, but the Target line that they have, the Hearth and Hand. I got this last year. And then my tiered tray I bought on clearance at Hobby Lobby, and everything on it is literally from Hobby Lobby. If you want to see more in depth of what is on there and how I decorated it, you can go and watch my first Christmas clean, no wait, maybe not the first one, maybe the second Christmas I cannot talk. The second Christmas Clean and Decorate has me kind of going through and decorating that. The garland up top, I really, really love. It's super realistic. I actually sprayed it with the flock spray a couple years ago, and it still has just like the slightest amount of flock on it. And I think I got this at Joann Fabrics one year. And I apologize if I sound funny. I'm like starting to get congested, so like as I'm talking, my nose is like getting all stuffy. But this is probably a new piece that you guys have not seen yet if you watched all my other videos. I just picked this up at Hobby Lobby the other day. I thought it would be really fun for my daughter to kind of like, you know, how many days are until Christmas. This candle, which is so nice. It's an all soy candle. It is pretty expensive. I think my husband got it for me for Christmas one year, and it's $30. It smells so good, and even just having it open right here, I just can smell the spruce is what it's called. It is so, so good. I will be saving that jar afterwards because it's so pretty. This was a sale at Kirkland's. My husband's boss's wife made this for us, and this was Target a couple years ago. I actually have two of those. The other one is in my daughter's room. Our shelf, which my husband made a couple months back, I think it was at the beginning of summer. We have Target Dollar Spot. This is literally like 4 years ago. IKEA tree, and the garland is from At Home. The little truck was a Christmas gift about 3 years ago, so I'm not sure where that's from. The cutting board is from Kirkland's. This basket is from Hobby Lobby, and the frame's from Hobby Lobby. The print is actually from Washington, D.C. I think the archives building that we went to. We're really big into beer, maybe not as big as we were before we had kids, but we actually are a big part of a brewery back in Ohio, and it's just kind of dear to us. And my husband used to make beer all the time, and I'm not talking about like the little kits that you buy. I'm talking like a full-on thousands dollars worth system, and we've kind of sold it all, and that's for another story. But now we roast coffee, so if you want to try some yummy coffee, like, hit me up because we could totally get you to order some. But continuing, this was something my daughter picked out. It is just like one of those little egg timers, and I thought it was so cute. So she picked this out from Hobby Lobby. And this little tree is from Hobby Lobby. I am so in love with the way it looks in my house, like up against the black, or up against the white shiplap. I'm just loving that look. Moving on, this is another piece that I did not have in any of my decorate videos. I got this at the dollar spot for $3. Ooh, even better. But I thought this was so cute, and it has like little shimmering bulbs, and I just love these colors. So I got that sign for on the kitchen. And then moving up to the top of the cabinets, these are old garlands that I had for my old house, and they are from Michael's. I have an old dollar spot Target tree up there. I used to have 2 of them, but at the beginning of this year, my daughter broke the other one. The little Santa that's up in that lantern, which the lantern is from IKEA, and the Santa is, I think, a free Joann Fabrics like walk in the door thing that my mom got. It says 2017 on it. And then all those little picks and whatnot, those are from Hobby Lobby. On this side we have our elf. His name is Pizzas with an S. That is what my daughter named him last year, and that's her little picture that she drew at school, and Pizza has it up there. So the little sleigh, which I want to paint white, it is made from a family friend. And then the little tree I've literally had for 10 years. Don't remember the store went out of business, but yeah. And then this is from Hillsboro, Ohio. It's a small little town in Ohio, and they have so many like fun little primitive places. A guy actually handmade that for us, and it was only like $15. It was so nice and it's so cute. It lights up. Also, before I forget, I'm gonna take you into our garage and show you what my 3-year-old and my husband did. These were the mistake lights that I bought. I bought them with white strands instead of the green strand. So they came out here and decided to make my husband's gym super festive. So I thought that was really fun and neat to do to our garage gym. The next part I'm just gonna show you clips of my kids' rooms, just because they are back there sleeping right now and it's nap time, and I will just kind of talk over the clips that I pre-recorded of their rooms. Not many things from their room are previously bought, just a lot of them are hand-me-downs. My oldest daughter's tree is from Walmart, and then my youngest daughter's tree is from Hobby Lobby, and I highly suggest the Hobby Lobby one. It is $7 cheaper. It's not pre-lit, but it is way better quality, and all their white pom-pom garland is from Hobby Lobby. And then all ornaments pretty much are all hand-me-downs. So that's the gist of their room. There you guys have it. I really hope that you guys liked this Christmas home tour. There wasn't much to it because I went really minimal this Christmas. If you watch my other videos, you will know that we were just kind of trying to use mostly what we already have. I was trying not to buy too many new things, since we only have about 1, maybe 2 more Christmases left in this home, and this home is pretty big compared to my last house, and I have no clue where we're gonna live next or what our house is gonna look like. So I did not want to go and try to fill this house up and then have a really small house next time around and have to get rid of half of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this minimalistic, approach to Christmas decor, and I hope you guys have a great Christmas and enjoy your family. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.